Dear friends, how are you? I hope you are very well. Today I am going to talk about the majority of people wants to be successful in their life, but there are some questions you have to put yourself. Are you dedicated to yourself? Can you feel any different types of pain in your life? Are you there? Are you dedicated? And if you only overthinking but not do hard work, then how you will be successful in your life? Because the majority of people only think all the time they watch different types of movies and listen to songs, but don't do hard work. Then how you will be successful in your life? Because the reason is, majority of people wants to be successful, but they don't do work hard. And without sweating, without pain, without sacrifices, how can we successful in our life? So that's why the most important thing is, we have to face different types of problems, we have to feel pain, we have to sacrifices for us. If you are willing to be successful in your life, then nobody can stop you in any conditions. If you are willing to do something in your life, there are so many problems, no doubt there are so many circumstances in your life which always demotivate to you. You cannot do anything, you can not be successful. But what is the reason which can motivate to you? The reason is, you have only one life. We all have only one life, and if you waste your time, then you cannot do anything, because the time is precious. So you have to learn about these types of things, which will help you to be successful in your life. First of all, you have to be dedicated, and second thing is, you have to you have to be ready to face any different types of problems, and you have to learn every different types of things which can help you to recognize and visualize yourself. Because the most of people, they cannot face problems, they get easily stress, tension, anxiety and pain easily. But if you want to be a big one and great person in your life, then you have to face every problem. Because success don't belong to the comfort zone. Because the most insignificant thing in men's life, the comfort zone. Majority of people long time use their mobile phone, they long time spend time in front of the television. So you have to quit these types of things, then you can be successful.